Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set a reminder in Outlook so we never miss an important email, task, or meeting. This feature helps us stay organized and on top of our schedule in the Microsoft Outlook dashboard. To set a reminder, we first go to Sent Items. Then we find the email we want to create a reminder or task for. Let's use this email as an example. We right-click it and go to Advanced Options, then select Create a Task. Here, we give the task a name, for example, Sample Reminder. Once we are done creating the task, we go to To-Do. Once we are in To-Do, we right-click the task and we can see the Remind Me option. We click Remind Me and then set the date. We just need to pick a time or choose one of the available options. On the calendar, we can also set a reminder by right-clicking a meeting, like this one. We right-click and select the reminder option, then set it here. We can see the reminder and choose whichever option works best for us. We can also add an email reminder if we prefer. And that is how we set a reminder in Outlook in just a few simple steps.